Today we're gonna learn ageru. Now, if you checked out my morau video last time, it's going to be very similar. You have noun, use noun with ageru, and verb. And ageru just basically means give, in favor of someone. I hope you can read my handwriting. Let's start with noun. 私は弟に本をあげました。私は弟に本をあげました。私、I, 弟 little brother, 本 book, あげました gave. I gave a book to my little brother. Simple, right? Here. あげる、あげます、あげました past tense. Let's do another example. 友達にゲームをあげました。友達にゲームをあげました。I gave a game to my friend. Now, you might notice that 私は is excluded here. 私は友達にゲームをあげました。But we just tend not to use 私は all the time. Because 私は is excluded here, and here's why. We just assume, without specifying someone, the subject, who's giving, and it's coming out of your mouth, we just assume that you're the one who's giving. Japanese language is like that most of the time. Gave here, again, past tense. Game to friend. You want to be careful here. Here's a wrong sentence, okay? 中野さんは私に鉛筆をあげた。So, あげた gave, pencil, 鉛筆。私に to me. 中野 Ms. Nakano. So like Ms. Nakano just gave me a pencil. If the receiver in the sentence, someone is giving to someone, the someone who's giving something, is watashi or watashitachi, which is I or we, you don't want to use ageru. So this sentence is completely wrong. No. If you want to use someone gave it to me, you want to check out my last video, morau, because that's what you want to use. Okay? So you just say noun, right? Pencil. That is ageru used to be the noun. Now, let's use verb with ageru. Again, give something in favor of somebody. The somebody is someone you're trying to make happy. 彼女にギターを教えてあげる。彼女にギターを教えてあげる。Right? Girlfriend, guitar を教えてあげる in favor of the girlfriend. So I will teach my girlfriend guitar. Now again, 私は is in here. But I'm talking about myself. I don't use it. 彼女にギターを教えてあげる。You wanna use 手 form. If you don't know what 手 form is, it's up right here. You can check it out. I will. 犬の病気を治してあげました。Again, you can use あげる when someone is doing for me. If the receiver is the first person, which is me or we, you don't wanna use あげる。父は私に数学を教えてあげました。See, to me, father taught mathematics. No. Also, you cannot use あげる when the verb is intransitive. Intransitive meaning can't take an object. Give you an example. Work. 働く. You don't work something. You work at somewhere. Intransitive means if you can do something, that's intransitive. So like write, right? So transitive can take an object. So like write a book, read a book, make cookies, bake cookies, watch the television. Whereas intransitive, walk, open. No, that's play. Alright, just let's give you an example. The example I'm about to show you is wrong, so keep that in mind. John のために働いてあげた。働いて form 働く work. So you're trying to say I worked for John. John に働いてあげた. So I know what you're trying to say here. Work for John, in favor of John. But 働く is a intransitive, which means you don't do it. You don't use this. Instead, this is how you would say. John のために働いた. Okay, just neutrally work. のために, alright? I will make a video about this one in the future. But for now, I'll just keep it this way. For the sake of, or for someone, for something. So someone のために do something. So this is what you want to say instead. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And if you have a request, just let me know. And if you share this video with many people, I really appreciate it and they can benefit from my videos as well. Thank you so much for now. See you in the next one. Until next time.